How to fix an error message you cannot sign in here with a work or school account. Use your personal Microsoft account instead. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will learn how we can fix if you have an issue trying to access a Microsoft service or product and you see a message in the interface saying that you cannot sign in here with a work or school account. Use your personal Microsoft account instead. So without further delay, let's get started with this video in order to see how we can fix it. So some of the Microsoft services only accept your personal Microsoft account. So if you're trying to sign in with an organizational or the work or the school account, it will block access with that message. So in that case, what you can do is you can use your personal Microsoft account. Make sure that you're signed in with a personal Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one if you don't have it. So simply head towards the Microsoft login. As you can see here in this interface, you will have an option to create one. So click on create one and follow the on-screen instructions to create the Microsoft account. Once you have your personal account, now you can log in with your personal account. If that still does not help you, or if you're automatically signed in with a work or school account, then you have to sign out from any of the work or school account if you're signed in somewhere else. So in that case, you have to log out and then sign in with your personal Microsoft account again. And if that still does not help you, you can also clear your browser cookies for Microsoft. So you may need to clear cookies associated with the Microsoft login page. So from your browser settings, head towards the settings in your device. And under settings, you can head towards privacy and security. And here it says delete browsing data. And from here, you can select cookies and other sites data. And then you can delete your data. Once you delete it, you may log in back with your personal account. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix the issue, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.